Hello fan collectors, today I'm going to show you my brown 52-inch NuTone Sea Island ceiling fan, which is from the early 1980s. So it has all the hardware with it. There's the canopy, it's a slide up, it uses the double claw mounting system, similar mounting to a Hunter original. And if you notice, it has vent patterns, but they're not actually vents. They're just like, they have the illusion of vents, but the vents are actually on top of the motor. Just in case you were curious, there's the switch housing. And there's no hole that you can screw in a light kit, like the traditional fan. Pull chain and the reverse switch, which by the way does not work, but thankful that I do have a Sea Island. And now let's look at the blades. It's got a unique shape of blade and blade arm. And before I do that, the blades mount to a flywheel a la Fasco, Charleston, Emerson Casablanca Designer Series, etc. And but the motor is a direct drive spinner motor, not a K55. But anyway, let's back to the blades. Nice walnut finish. And notice at the bottom of the blade is rather unique. It doesn't curve down like the other ceiling fans you see there. But I digress. Film the blade. There's a blade tip, signature NuTone blade tip. Get a little better shot of the vents, or lack thereof. It's got the same vent pattern as a NuTone Veranda Deluxe. Plain sideband. And the vents on top of the motor, I don't know how well you can see them, but they're shaped like that of a Hunter original. And now I'm going to demonstrate the fan first on low. Low is the only speed I feel comfortable with it running on, so. And I know you're picking up on the bearing noise, and that's the way it came, but at least I have a Sea Island, and it's a winter fan because, well, it's just going to be more for show than function because, well, during the winter time, it's winter season right now, and I generally don't rev up my fans in the winter time because there's no source of heat here where I'm filming, so. Fan does sway a little bit. It's kind of awkward, but I'm going to try it on medium. Has a wobble. Now if I try it on high, it's going to be really, really awkward. That is awkward. That is very, very awkward. Balancing kit? Anybody? Probably going to have a low spin down time due to the defective bearings. Okay, notice how it stopped abruptly? That is definitely due to the bearings. And if anybody has any advice, just don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I'm always open to feedback. And thank you once again for watching my ceiling fan videos. And if you like what you see, please feel free to subscribe. Have a great day and be blessed, everybody.